over the next couple of days, we're going to learn the power of gratitude. We all know this, we practice it. Some of us have tried maintaining journals. We constantly remind ourselves to practice gratitude, which is a great thing. But now we're going to go a little bit deeper. Over the next couple of days, we're going to merge and integrate reflection with gratitude. Reflection is a very, very powerful mechanism for our self-growth, to feel better, to come out of depression, to help us with day-to-day life struggles, ups and downs. When we learn the power of reflection, we learn to look within us, inside of us, without judging, without emotions. And then with mindfulness and from a space of clarity, we can decide how we want to react, respond, how much of energy and attention we want to give a person, a thing, a particular emotion. So welcome to the next couple of days where we're going to learn reflection and gratitude together, and that's going to make the practice of gratitude easier and deeper.